Don't take people out to lunch to try and get their business. But I'm not saying don't take people out to lunch. This might be worth taking somebody out to lunch and being like, dude, I don't want to sell you anything, okay? I want to buy you lunch, Kyle, and then I'll give you a gift card to the same damn place to take it. Here's what I need to know. I want to look, and by the way, don't pull any punches. I want to know what my industry looks like from your side of the table, right? And then they might be telling you things like, man, one of the things that really upsets me is every time we purchase something, it's like maybe I have a jinx or something. Every time I purchase something, I realize I overbought, I realized I underbought, right? I either bought too good of a piece of equipment, too expensive, I'm never gonna ROI it, or I buy something that, oh yeah, based on price, it seems really great, and then it turns out we need that thing way more, and I totally eat the life cycle up on it, and it's a problem. That might be an insight. I would think that's probably something that contractors are dealing with, right? Like, how do they figure out, even if they have no plans, I have to have an XYZ lift or scissor lift or whatever. How do they figure out that that's the right piece of equipment and the right size before they go all in on a purchase, right? That might be another insight is, listen, it oftentimes pencils just in doing a try before you buy any piece of hardware. I'm not going to talk you out of the purchase. I just want to make sure that that thing is being used in the field. It's being used by your people. You figure out that Tommy's left-handed and that particular grip is terrible for him on the Husqvarna or Makita or whatever because Tom's freaking left-handed. Wish we had knew that before we spent $2,500 on that thing, right? Like if there's anything I can do to help you in terms of getting you guys knowledge on that equipment, even on the ones that you have no intentions of renting, please deal me in. Because for a few bucks, you guys will have the ability to know if this is the right equipment long-term and you can feel confident about your purchase. But again, I'm pulling these out of my butt. I would take a customer to lunch and ask them what's going on in your world. And that's where you're going to find all of the things that are not price related, all of the things that are really upsetting them. And I bet you can solve those problems. All right, if you work in sales, we need to talk because you are about to double or triple the money you are making in sales without looking for a new job, without joining a new industry. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Hi, we just became best friends. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. I want you to click the link here. You're gonna see our on-demand portal and how it will help you double or triple your income within 60 days. And I'm gonna work with you twice a week. I'm gonna be there with you every step of the way. You are about to triple your income in sales. Click the link here. I'll see you on the other side.